The 4 secret habits of every successful person. When it comes to being successful, certain people do it better than others. But what makes these people different? Is there something unusual about them physically? Do they have a different brain makeup than less successful people do? Actually, no. They just do certain things every single day to work towards that success. And you can do the same. Most people just know the end result, the success. But these are the secret habits that go on behind the scenes that make that success a reality. They make plans for everything. Whether they are trying to create a multi-billion-dollar business or lose 10 pounds, successful people make plans and then follow through on them. While some plans are successful and some fail, these winners learn from their past mistakes, and their future plans are even better than their past ones. They take inspiration from others. Whether it is by attending seminars, reading self-help books, or building relationships with people who have had success of their own, successful people are always on the lookout for more inspiration, more information, or tips to help them become better at whatever they are trying to accomplish. Successful people work regularly to improve, and they use these resources to figure out how to be a little better every single day. They live each day to the fullest. If this were your last day on Earth, and you wanted to be remembered as a successful person, what would you do today to leave that legacy behind? Successful people have this mindset every day, and what they accomplish, or try to accomplish, reflects that. If you want to be successful, then you need to make sure that you are living each day as if it were the only day that you had to achieve the success you have always wanted. If you do that enough days, that success will quickly be yours. They don't care what other people are doing. While successful people take inspiration from other successful people, they use the information that they can without worrying about what someone else is doing. If someone had told Bill Gates that he needed to stop creating an operating system and instead build a computer, because that's what everyone else was doing at the time, he would have gone right ahead and continued to develop his software. Real leaders forge their own path. They don't follow the ones created by others.